Akbarpur, where this latest raid that is taking place on part of the GST. We are told that these teams that have arrived at one of the Gutka businessmen and the nephew of Samajwadi Party leader Ahmed Hassan, where now we are told that another round of raids that are taking place in Uttar Pradesh. This is the team that came in from Lucknow and has been camping in the district, and the raids are being conducted in fear of tax evasion. So non-stop raids that have been taking place on the last day of the year 2021, and this time around we are looking at multi-city raids, whether be it in Kanpur, in Kannauj, in Noida, in Delhi, in Akbarpur, and also we are told in different states as well, as we are looking at this massive operation being carried out by the central agencies, the DGGI, and also with the Income Tax Department. This is the DHT intelligence which is carrying out these particular raids at Samajwadi Party leader's nephew in Akbarpur in Uttar Pradesh. Meanwhile, on the other side, we just saw the visuals of former UP Chief Minister and Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav arriving there in Kannauj. Well, he was supposed to be there in Kannauj already with his party MLC, the very same Pushparaj Jain, who is currently being raided by the income tax in Kannauj. At 12:30 p.m. we're expecting his press briefing on part of Akhilesh Yadav. But yes, Piyush, coming back to you on that, we're also told that there is a certain company there in Noida which is also being raided by the income tax.
Multi-city raids, Samita, are being conducted by income tax officials, and they have received the information via the investigation which they have done as far as the raids also conducted in Kanpur, there at the residence of Piyush. And so dots are being connected. Piyush Jain along with Mohammad Yaqub, Malik Mia and others, the people and the residences where the raids are conducted, they are all connected with one industry, and that's the perfume industry. They all are perfume traders. And now we are given to understand that, like you're also mentioning about the fact that one more raid is taking place, and that they are in Akbarpur, and that at a Gutka factory. So multi-city raids are now, as we are speaking, being conducted by the IT officials at the 4th floor of this very building in Ishwanagar of Delhi. The income tax officials are present. What we are now told from our sources is that the family members are also present inside. We also saw few officials from income tax department also arriving here. So one more team has come here, and the income tax raid continues to take place here at Ishwanagar area of Delhi at the residence of Malik Mia. Family members are inside, and officials are also present inside along with Delhi police officials. They are present inside, and also at the ground floor we can see how Delhi police officials have completely barricaded the entire area. Media is not allowed to go allowed to go inside this particular premises. We also saw income tax officials going there at the basement. I would ask Manish to come with me. We'll try to show you pictures. That's the basement area where the income tax department officials have gone. So they are trying to unearth the larger conspiracy. They are investigating the entire case. They are looking into each and every corner of this building. They are trying to find if there are things, if there is cash or any other thing which is hidden inside this building. Malik Mia is also a perfume dealer, and allegations are there that he has also evaded the tax. Remember that soon after the income tax department raids took place in the morning, since 8 a.m. we saw as to how Samajwadi Party attacked the BJP by saying that what BJP is doing out of frustration, and the people of Uttar Pradesh are going to give them a befitting reply. So war of words have now broken out between Samajwadi Party and BJP. On the other side, income tax department officials continue to raid Pushparaj Jain, who is from Kannauj. He was to do a press conference with Akhilesh Yadav. Today, Akhilesh Yadav was all set to do his rally there in Kannauj, and before that he was to do a press conference. At 12:30 he will be doing press conference, but Pushparaj Jain will not be there with him. This is what we have been told. On the other side, income tax officials continue to raid here at Malik Mia's residence on the 4th floor of this building. We also saw income tax officials who are inside this particular building. Police officials of Delhi Police, they are also present inside this building. And one more team a couple of minutes back has arrived here. So multi-city raids are being conducted on the information which has been received by income tax department officials after they raided Piyush Jain's residence in Kanpur. And as we are speaking, we can also see some movement. Police officials are present inside there, and few officials of income tax department have gone there at the basement area of this very building. Amita.
So the Income Tax Department raiding multiple premises linked to perfume traders and some others in Uttar Pradesh as part of tax evasion investigation that is being carried out, where searches are being conducted in Kannauj, in Kanpur, in the national capital. We are told in other cities as well. Akbarpur is the latest one in Uttar Pradesh, where we are told raids are also being carried out. And the Samajwadi Party already has registered its protest on Twitter, saying that when it comes to the premises of its MLC, Pushparaj alias Pampi Jain in Kannauj, where the raids are being carried out, Akhilesh Yadav is also slated to hold a press conference in a short while from now. But speaking more of Pushparaj Jain there, Piyush, if you can help us understand, because he is said to be the same very leader who had actually launched the Samajwadi Party perfume or the Itr there. And this time around, he was also expected to be sitting alongside Akhilesh Yadav during the press briefing, but currently he's being raided.
Well, yes, currently he's being raided. We are showing, we'll talk about him, but we are showing you pictures of Income Tax Department who are now going upstairs from basement. They had gone there in basement. We are continuously showing you pictures. They are now going on the 4th floor. We can see as to how they are now climbing the stairs. They will go there at the 4th floor and they will further do their investigation. Since 8 a.m. in the morning, they are here at Malik Mia's residence and they are raiding his house. He, along with officials, there are officials from Delhi Police also who are present inside this very building. So as we are speaking, movement taking place. Officials are now climbing the 4th floor where they will go there inside the house of Malik Mia. So that's the raid which is taking place here at Malik Mia's residence. If you talk about Pushparaj Jain, remember that he is one of the top leaders of Samajwadi Party, and in November of this month he had released Samajwadi Itr there inside the office of Samajwadi Party in the presence of Akhilesh Yadav. And 2 days back, Akhilesh Yadav had also taken the name of Pushparaj Jain. He had said that the Income Tax Department had to raid the office of Pushparaj Jain, but they mistakenly raided the office of Piyush Jain. So he was mocking the raids those were being conducted by Income Tax Department and then 2 days back. And today, when the income tax officials are raiding the residence of Pushparaj Jain, he is saying that it is being done out of the frustration by the BJP government, and the people of Uttar Pradesh are going to give them befitting reply. This is what this Samajwadi Party official Twitter handle is saying. At 12:30, we can expect a press conference coming in from Akhilesh Yadav, where he is now expected to toe the same line, where he'll say that BJP is doing this because they are frustrated with the fact that Akhilesh Yadav is doing a massive rally. People are turning up a large number in his rallies. This is what he's going to tell to media. But on the other side, the officials, the agencies continue to do their job. They have raided the premises of these perfume dealers who have their houses in Kannauj, in Kanpur. If you talk about Mohammed Yaqub, he has his house in Kannauj. Mr. Malik's residence is also there in Kannauj. And all these people are connected with one source, and that's the Piyush Jain. Remember that Income tax officials are conducting the raid there at Piyush Jain's residence, and after that all these names have surfaced, and now dots are being connected. Income tax official is trying to understand if more things are there which can be recovered from the residences of these perfume dealers, and what amount of tax is there which they have evaded. So investigation right now is underway. But on the other side, Samajwadi Party is very much frustrated with the fact that raids are being conducted at the leaders of Samajwadi Party. Earlier in Lucknow, we had seen a few days back when raids were conducted. After that, Piyush Jain's raid was conducted. It became a massive political issue also in Uttar Pradesh, where not only the BJP leaders in Uttar Pradesh, but also Prime Minister during his rally had hit out at Samajwadi Party. But Samajwadi Party is saying that that they have nothing to do with Piyush Jain. In fact, they had said that Piyush Jain is connected with BJP leaders. So war reports continue to take place. On the other side, officials of Income Tax Department, they continue to raid here at Mr. Malik's residence, Malik Mia, who is also a perfume dealer there in Kannauj. Right now, as we are speaking, 6-member team of Income Tax Department can also be seen raiding this house. They had gone there inside the basement, and now as we are speaking, they have gone there upstairs. They are now there at the 4th floor, and police officials of Delhi Police are present inside his residence, and they are here also at the ground floor. We can see massive presence of police personnel of Delhi Police. Amita.
Well, Republic, as always, is the first channel to get you all the live and the exclusive updates, those pictures there of the raids taking place in Delhi at Malik Mia's residence there. At least 4 floors that are being currently searched, including the basement there. We are looking at these multi-city raids that continue to take place. Also, what we are told, at least 2 individuals who are linked to the Samajwadi Party, who are currently being raided as well in Kannauj, in Delhi and Kanpur, and the Samajwadi Party has already been reacting, where it has claimed political vendetta and saying that it is the BJP government that is indulging in guerrilla action. But thereafter, we are looking at, in a short while from now, Akhilesh Yadav also to address a media briefing that he's already en route Kannauj. So in Hathras also, we are told that these raids are taking place. In Noida also, we are told that these raids are taking place. In Akbarpur, one of those individuals who is said to be linked to a Samajwadi Party leader, he is also currently being raided. And the source, Piyush, exactly, that began from Piyush Jain, because thereafter the cash haul that was recovered and the department searching multiple locations there. Many of those entities that are seen to be linked to the perfume trade and related business sources, they still continue to be raided.